Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be over this golden halo eye. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then make sure you guys keep watching. I'm going to prime my eyelid first. Why do I feel like I already did this look? Like, I don't know, I kept looking at it and I was like, did I already do that? But I'm going to start off with my other girl concealer, and this one is in the shade medium beige. I really should not recording this because look, I already got makeup all over it. So for today, I'm using the James Charles palette. I need to go palette shopping. I really don't need to, but I need to. First, I'm going to be picking up these two colors right here and packing them into my crease. I'm sorry, y'all, the heat came on, so that's what y'all hear in the background. But I'm gonna take this orange right here first and blend this one out, and then I'm gonna go on top of that with the yellow. So this brush right here has no product in it. It's just the brush that I use to blend all my colors together. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this dark brown right here that literally gave me hell. This color right here. It took forever to blend. I'm gonna cut my crease using my other girl concealer. I ran out of Revolution concealer and I have not been to Ulta yet, so. Okay, I'm taking a dark brown again. I'm gonna blend out the sides. Now I'm going to take my glitter pigment from Almost Cosmetics in the shade Carrot Gold and put that in the middle of my eyelid. So I'm going to put on some mascara, and I used the Mega Length mascara by Wet n Wild. I'm going to line my bottom waterline with some eyeliner off camera, but I'm going to skip like the middle, if that makes sense, so I can put my glitter down. Okay, I'm going to use my Duo Lash Glue, and I'm going to go under my eyelashes and put it right in this little gap that we skipped with the eyeliner. Some more of this on my nose. So for my lips, I'm going to use Espresso, and this is the lip liner from NYX. Just be lame and go on top of this with some lip gloss. Cause I have a brown lipstick, but it's like way darker than this. See, I just set my face with the NYX matte setting spray. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you guys in my next video.